So, hello guys. In today's video, I will walk you through my session. I did not trade today. I did not take anything. I'm a little bit mad at myself because of that, because we had a lot of good opportunities, but it is what it is. I'm just on a big lose streak right now, and it would be nice to take some wins. But okay, let's start the day. I was pretty bearish because we had all of these resistance lows right here. Let me just mark all of them. Yeah, and this one. Okay, we had all of these low resistance lows. We were inside this 1 hour gap right here, and we was also in a 15 minute, and I was like, bad, I will go short. But I wanted to see some sort of manipulation to the upside before we go up like to this 5 minute, because we had this dollar high and news high, and I wanted to see it get slapped and go into this 5 minutes, but we never did that. We came up a little bit at market open. No, we came down at market open, and after that we came up. I was like, okay, we will sweep this high for sure, but we did not. We got this inverse and then went up and rejected this 1 minute gap. And I was a bit hesitant on this trade because I was like, okay, I could take that because we are rejecting 1 and 2 and the 3 minute gap, but we inversed this 5 minute, and I was like, for sure we will go up here, but we did not go there, and I was like, okay, if we hold this gap, maybe I will get in. We did hold it, and we did inverse this gap perfectly, and I could have had like pretty good trade here, but right here stops here and just target 1 hour. It will have got hit. It's okay. After that, I was waiting. We came down, took this third low too, and after that, I was like, okay, maybe if we can get something like come up here and then re-sweep this low and sweep this low and get an inversion to the upside, I will be targeting this 15 minutes. But we did never take this low yet and came up. I was like, okay, now we have equal lows right here. And what I wanted to see was this 5 minutes get inversed to me, for me to get some sort of shorts, but I did not get in for some reason here. I could have just go right. I did not get in because it was not 1 hour, and I at least need 1 hour. Maybe I could have put my stops like lower here. It makes sense, but I don't know. I didn't feel it safe right here because I would just wake up here, and I don't know. I don't know why. After that, we came into this gap, and I was looking for shorts. I was like, it has to give me something. You, I just wanted to take some shorts off of here because this is so good, so much liquidity down there, and we did not get any fair gaps here. not even a 30-second. I would have take that, but we only got a 15-second, which I do not trade. So I did miss this trade. 15 seconds closed. Right down here, yeah. And my stops here. This would be, it could have been a 3R, but fuck this. It's bad, yeah. And when we took this loss, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna take anything after that because all my draws got hit. It said it is what it is, but what can I really do about it? You know, it is trading, but it's tough. Tough because I'm on a little bit of losing streak and it's getting to me in my head, so I'm a little bit emotional because of that and feeling not good right now about trading. We will see, but I will learn from these mistakes that I did not take this 5 minutes or this 1 minute. This 1 minute was so textbook. I don't know why did I take it, but next time I will. I guess I have to journal it. I have to learn from it. And if you guys found this breakdown valuable, please leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription, anything. I do want to make these videos daily. Every day every trading day I want to post a video. I want to keep the grind, you know, and journal my whole process in here. So if you want to support me, please just leave a like or a comment. That's everything I need. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.